Hey guys, how's it going? So today I'm gonna be doing a little bit of plumbing work at my cousin's house. I just want to take y'all along, show y'all this is somewhat of a big plumbing job. I gotta take care of some water lines underneath that have cracked and have fallen through. So yeah, I'm gonna keep y'all with me today. I hope y'all enjoy it. So my breakfast today is gonna be these oats in this mason jar. I put peanut butter, I put honey, I put flaxseed, chia seeds, and hemp seeds. And then I gotta finish 2 of these a day and it'll be a gallon. Alright guys, so I'm under my cousin's house. I'm in the crawl space. So I'm gonna show you what we're working with today. So this is a huge crack that's in the pipe. But look, this is his bathtub right above this. This is the drain. So we're gonna have to replace all this. All this is no good. So I'm gonna cut around right here. Then I'm just gonna redo all this, make it new. So just stay with me. Alright guys, so I'm about to go under there. I'm about to start cutting the pipes. My dad got me this grinder for this job, and he helped me like with all these parts. This is like the new pieces that are gonna go in. This is the part, this is gonna go in from the top of the bathtub. So I'll be holding it from the bottom of the house, and my cousin Alejandro here will be putting it on top from there. Alright, come on. Pointer. I cut right here. Can you see right here? Cut right here, and then I'm just gonna add a coupling onto this, and I'll just remodel all that. Can you connect? I feel all the like metal shards hitting me, like on top of my head and stuff. I hope they don't cause early balding in life. Man, it's just such a tough way to do it. About halfway there. I just need to get it at a different angle. Wonderful. Alright, so this is the pipe. That's galvanized steel. People don't use this nowadays. It's just so heavy. There's just like no real point in it. You might as well just use PVC. It's plastic, it's lighter, it's more durable, and it lasts longer. So I just cut this. There's the pipe right there. So now he just needs to. Down in a minute. All right, now he just needs to unscrew this. Came down. And here it goes. So this part's gonna get replaced too. It's just all corroded, all oxidized. And so this is gonna go where the bathtub is at. So this is where your drain is, the thing you pull in and out. All right. So in order to create that seal, we need a little bit of plumber's putty. Show me. Alright, I'm gonna just do this. And then as he tightens it down, this is just gonna poop out, and that's what creates that seal, makes it watertight. Alright, so here's the, so you have to make sure this seal sits on top of this black seal. So I just put this new pipe in. So he was up there waiting for me to hold it up, and he screwed it in from the bathtub. So now I just need to connect that to this. Shouldn't be too hard though. I got it. All right, so we just cut the pipe. Just cut this pipe with the grinder right here. So I just eyeballed it. I'll probably have to adjust it a little bit more later, but this is just like a rough estimate. So thing is, like, we could just do something like this, but this trap is necessary for drains.
Oh, okay.
So when you put it in, you give it a quarter turn. People call this pipe dope. I just call it Teflon. It's okay if there's a little dirt on there. Honestly, I don't know if it's okay if it has dirt. But like, we're doing this with limited resources right now. We are in the midst of the coronavirus epidemic. This is a pandemic that's going on. I'm really scared. I've been reading a lot of books on it. Well, articles. I don't know if there's any books on coronavirus yet, but there will be. Our kids will be learning a lot about it in history class. You think so, Alejandro?
Definitely.
Yeah, so let's just go ahead, put this in. You see how I have it nice and juicy? My dad used to get on me for that. He used to say it just needed a little bit, but I'm running the show now. I'm the new sheriff in town. if it's like a brand new pipe, sometimes you put them together after you glue it, and it'll like, the pipe will separate itself because it's so clean. I should be using some pipe cleaner, but like we don't have any. But like this job's gonna work. I've been doing plumbing for like since I was like 14. I'm 20 now, so I mean, please don't hop on me in the comments, because like I will fire back at you. All right, put this one. Looks like we just have to tighten it all up now. Alright. There was a small leak, but it's just because my cousin didn't tighten up the top drain, but it was my fault because I told him not to do it too tight. So it was leaking as soon as we started running water through it. I tightened it up, I went back up there, tightened it up, and ran some more water, and now it's draining good, no leak or nothing. So I mean, our job here is done. Just want to say thank you for staying tuned and still watching to this part of the video. I hope you subscribe.